Exercise 3. In the restaurant. Listen to the conversation and tick the items that the wife and husband ordered on the menu.
Good evening. Would you like to order now?
Just a moment. Can we see what you've got on the menu first? There is quite a good choice on the menu, isn't there, dear?
Yes.
Do you want to order first?
All right. I think I'll start with some apple juice. But I can't decide whether to have salmon or roast beef. I remember I had fish last time we were here, so I'll try the roast beef. And yes, and some carrots.
What about the sweet?
Well, we can order that later. But I think I'll have some fruit salad.
Shall I order some wine to go with the meal?
Yes, that would be nice. So, what are you going to have?
I'll start with chicken soup. And I love fish, so I think I'll have salmon and some peas.
What are you going to choose for dessert?
I think I'll have chocolate cake.